You know, when we have inaugural parades, we are really parading, yes, for the recently elected president, but we are really parading for the concept of the democratic process that is virtually unique to America. It makes no difference, you know, what party the president represents, you know, because we're all representing this greater thing, this democracy that we're a part of. And if you can imagine this for a second, the entire student body, you know, it's not a representative group, but the entire student body of this little college in the Shenandoah Valley is there marching for the president. The overall impression that the Cadet Corps makes at an inaugural parade is virtually as timeless as the route of the parade itself. The cadet uniform has always, without exception, been overcoat, full dike with arms. Preparing for the presidential inauguration requires a change from the typical VMI drill and ceremony because we don't normally march in a 15-man front. We do it in platoon size, but it's quite different when you're trying to organize and keep in step with 250 other people side by side. So the Corps will have to be quick studies in mastering that special formation in time for the parade. As I can remember standing in icy slush for hours waiting for the parade to begin in 1977. Of course, we groused about it. Oh, we've got to get up early. Oh, we've got to stand out in the snow. Oh. And then, you know, as youthful 19 and 20 and 21 years old, we said, well, someday we'll tell our grandchildren about this. Well, here I am, a grandfather. I can say very proudly that when I was a cadet, I had the privilege of participating in that event. There's a sense of excitement because you've just been marching along, trying to keep in step as best you can for 2 miles, and then magically the White House appears. And as you pass the reviewing stand, you're very close. I wasn't really prepared for how close you are to the president and the family, even though there's a bulletproof shield between you and them, but it's only for an instant. And then it's over. In about seemingly just a couple of seconds, you've passed the reviewing stand. There's no pause. There's no moment for reflection. It's just that instantaneous gratification and sense of being a part of this grand pageantry.